Delightful and Delicious. My name is Stephanie, and if this is your first time here, we are so glad that you joined us. Now, if you like awesome recipes with lots of flavor, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and take just a moment, hit that subscribe button and notification bell right down below. Now, today we are making something super easy yet loaded with flavor. We're making chili lime grilled chicken breast with a pineapple peach salsa. That's a tongue twister. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, now here I have 4 chicken breasts that I have washed and trimmed the fat from. Now when you are grilling chicken breast or searing chicken breast, a good thing to do is to make sure that they are pretty much the same size. As you can see, this chicken breast on this end, it's larger than it is on this end. So what we're gonna do is we're just going to pop it in between 2 pieces of plastic wrap, and we're just going to pound it out a little bit so that we can make the thicker side more even with the smaller side. If you don't do that, what you could risk happening is that when you're cooking it, part of your chicken will be dry, the other part won't, and nobody wants to eat that. So just take a couple seconds, pound that out with a good meat mallet. Let me turn my chicken breast this way so you can see exactly what I'm doing. So you can see that as I am pounding the chicken breast, I'm using this motion. You don't just want to be going up and down. That's not going to help you. You need to be pounding and smoothing it out in that direction. And now you see our chicken breast is pretty much even. Now for our super easy marinade, we're going to take some fresh lime juice. And I use fresh lime juice, but if you don't want to use fresh lime juice, make sure that you get a good lime juice, maybe an organic one. None of that stuff that's been frozen and weird. So we've got our lime juice in here. We're gonna add some olive oil. We're gonna add some honey. Here we have our spice mixture of onion powder, garlic powder, some chili powder, cumin, a seasoned salt, and black pepper. There's just something delicious about chili powder and lime that go very well together. And then we're just gonna take our microplane and we're going to take some limes that we have washed, and we're just going to add a little bit of zest to that. Now make sure that when you are zesting your lime, you don't get the white part, you just want the green parts, because the white part is bitter. All right, now you want to mix all that up really well. We're going to add in our chicken breasts that we have pounded out so that they are all even. Close our bag up, make sure it's sealed well. Get all that in there nice and yummy, and make sure that there is marinade on all of your pieces. We're then going to set this aside. We're going to go ahead and get our grill heated up, and we're gonna let these marinate for a few minutes. All right guys, so now our chicken is marinating, our grill is heating up. I'm gonna show you how to do this super simple pineapple peach salsa. So I have already diced 1 cup of fresh pineapple. I have already diced 1 cup of fresh peaches, 1/2 cup of red bell pepper, 3/4 cup of red onion, fresh mint. I have some jalapeno here. Now it's better to add less jalapeno and add some in later if you don't like it really spicy. I like it really spicy, so I'm putting in 1 jalapeno that I've diced. You want some good honey. And now we have lime juice. Now with your lime juice, you want to add this in to taste. So start out with maybe 1/2 teaspoon. Stir it around and then taste it to see if you want to add more. You know what I say, you can always add more, but you can't take it out. So it's better to be safe than sorry. You guys, look at how beautiful that is. You know, you eat with your eyes, not just your taste buds. So I'm gonna taste this to see if there's enough lime in there for me. That is perfect. So I'm gonna cover this, set this aside, grab my chicken, take it outside, and throw it on the grill. All right, guys, so I have our marinated chicken breast. I have drained the excess marinade from it. Our grill is now up to temperature. I put a little bit of oil on there, and now we're just gonna get our chicken breasts onto the grill. We wanna make sure that they cook for about 4 to 6 minutes per side, depending on how high your heat is. Alright guys, our chicken has been cooking about 6 minutes on one side. We're going to turn it over. You see it has those beautiful grill marks. And now we're just going to let it cook on the other side. Alright you guys, I let my chicken grill for an additional 5 minutes. And we are all done. I have a clean dish here. Just gonna take my chicken off. And we're gonna go inside and plate this up. Hey guys, can you believe it? We are all done just that fast. We have our lovely marinated and grilled chicken breast. I have some of that yummy pineapple peach salsa that we made. I'm just gonna take some and top our chicken breasts with it. Now I've also paired this with some fresh green beans that I blistered and just sauteed with some olive oil and garlic. Wonderful. Let's go ahead and take a little taste. Y'all, that tastes like vacation, okay? This tastes like I'm having lunch on the beach in the Caribbean. Absolutely delicious. So good. So, you guys, with this salsa, mix it up, you know what I mean? Use whatever you have in your grocery store that you like. So I used pineapple and peaches. You can do pineapple and mango. You can do all mango. You can do all peaches. You know, just sort of mix it up. What I'm showing you here is the method. I want you guys to use your imagination. This chicken and this chicken marinade goes fantastic if you want to grill it up. You can saute it up and do chicken salads. This is wonderful for chicken tacos. Like, you know, there are many different things that you can use with this, and it's quick, easy, and it's healthy. This is something you made your own. There aren't a bunch of preservatives and additives and weird stuff in it, so you can feel good about eating it. All right guys, so thank you so much for joining us today. All of our ingredients and directions will be on our website at delightfulanddelicious.com. I will list that link down below. All of the ingredients will be listed down below as well. If you guys have any questions, make sure you leave me a comment. And until next time, make sure whenever you're in the kitchen or outside on the grill, you're keeping it delightful and delicious. Bye guys, see you next time.